So everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the downloads to your account for the brand retirement sale. You're going to log in to your Harper Academy account. So if you see this button that says log in, you're not logged in, even if you see all of these courses here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on log in to make sure I'm in my account. If you have not yet signed up for an account, you need to make sure to sign up for your account associated with your purchase. We're now going to click log in. I am now logged into my account. I'm now going to click on view my library, and that is where you're going to see the courses that are going to be organized in terms of their release date. Now what you're going to see here, you're going to see the membership courses at the very top. You're going to scroll past there, and you are then going to see the brand retirement sale here in this area. We're going to click on view content for that course. When you come in here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see bonus number 3. And this is a limited time bonus. This is going to give you the downloads for all of the imports. Now I'm going to go backwards for a second so that you can see something here. I'm going to click on this logo. I'm then going to click again on view my library. So you'll see that you're going to see all of the courses that you have available currently. That's before the additions. The addition is going to put quite a few courses inside of this area. They will then be arranged by the date in which they were released. And if you already have the courses, obviously they will not be added a second time. So I'm going to now go back into the brand retirement sale, and I'm now going to go to this button. And you're going to see here, I'm going to click on this button that says add here, watch the video. So hopefully you have now watched the video. And when I click this button, you're not going to see an additional course container. What's going to happen is that all of the imported courses are now going to be added to your Harper Academy account. So you're going to see quite a few more courses that are going to be available after you click this button. I am now going to click add here. And what's going to happen then is that this is now going to click on go to the bundle. And when you go to the bundle, you will not actually see an actual bundle. What you will now see are all of the courses. They will now be added to your account. That means that you can use the search in order to find the names, and you can use the legend for that purpose. For now, I can see perplexity courses here because I search for them here in this search box. So if you are inside of your library, and that is where you want to be, you can search for any course that you want to find the downloads for by using this search bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back so you can see this one more time. I'm going to click on my dashboard. That's going to bring you to the top. You want to click on view my library. View my library are the courses that you have available to you. And so if you want to find a specific course, you can then click on this button and you can search for it here in this area according to the name. Now again, these courses are going to be arranged according to when they were released. You can use the sort by, and you can arrange them in name order. In progress is not something I would use. So I would not use this button that says in progress. I would use the recommended order. And if you want to find something, just use the search bar and you will be able to find the course that you want. And that is how you will add the downloadable course content to your Harper Academy account for the brand retirement sale. Thank you again for picking it up.